Light is a form of energy that enables us to see and perceive objects with our eyes. Scientifically, light is an electromagnetic wave of wavelength belonging to visible part, wavelength of 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer of electromagnetic spectrum. We see objects either by the light they produce or by the light they reflect from other objects. Objects that produce their own light are said to be luminous. Examples are the sun, electric bulbs, candlelight, etc. Whereas non-luminous objects do not produce their own light. We can see these objects only when light fall on them from other sources and it is thrown back or reflected into our eyes. An important example is that of the moon, which shines in the night because it reflects light coming from the sun and not because it is luminous. Optics is the science, or more specifically, a branch of physics in which we study the behavior and properties of light. The study also includes the interaction of light with matter and construction of instruments that use or detect it. For the sake of convenience, the subject of optics can be divided into two parts: physical or wave optics, which deals with the wave nature of light. It accounts for optical effects such as diffraction and interference, etc. And second, geometrical or ray optics, which deals with the formation of images by lenses and mirrors and their combinations on the basis of certain geometrical laws obeyed by light. The present block of the course optics is dedicated to the geometrical optics only. Hence, in the following section, we will concentrate on its learning in detail. Geometrical optics describes light propagation in terms of rays. The rays are the approximate path along which light propagates under certain circumstances. The basic assumptions of geometrical optics include: the light rays propagate in straight line paths in a homogeneous medium called a rectilinear propagation. Bend and in particular circumstances may split into two at the interface between two dissimilar media. Followed curved paths. Iterative bending in a medium in which a refractive index changes may be absorbed or reflected at glossy surfaces. There are certain laws which explain the above assumptions. These laws form the basis of geometrical optics and are called fundamental laws. The fundamental laws are: first, the laws of rectilinear propagation of light; second, the laws of reflection of light; third, the laws of refraction of light. A general principle which covers all these laws is known as Fermat's principle of least time. Thank you.